Hi guys, this is QuickLink, and yes, my viewers were right that this QuickLink was put on this testing bike in the factory wrong, because this arrow was directing that direction, was pointing out that direction. When the chain goes forward through the cassette to the crankset, this arrow should go with the direction of the movement, like that. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways of opening this QuickLink, which is really stiff because it's new, without a special tool. We're gonna use anything you have at home that might be helpful, and that would be the pliers, or the adjustable pliers, or hydraulic pliers, if you call it like that, and then some old shifting cable, just old cable like a charging cable. This is, I think, the cable for the camera, or a wire. We don't want to have tension on the chain while breaking it, because it will kind of explode. So just remove it from the crankset and it will be very easy to operate now with the links. Thanks for dropping by to my studio. See you in the next one.